How to find square root of 2.25 by long division method. Okay, at first you need to make pair. For a whole number part you need to make pair from right hand side to left hand side, and for decimal part of this number you need to make pair from left hand side to right hand side. Okay, so for whole number part we have here one pair. You can consider here a 0, but we don't need it. So for decimal part you need to make pair from this side. So already we have made pair. So now consider this pair to take here number whose square is equal to 2 or nearest to 2. If you take here 2 here, then 2 square equal to 4, which is greater than 2. So 1 will be correct. 1 same digit will come to the quotient side also. 1 times 1 1. Subtract, then you are getting 1. Bring down this pair. Okay, before this pair there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. Since you have placed here the digit 1, so same digit will come under this divisor, and you need to add 1 plus 1 2. Now you have to guess here a digit. Same digit will come here. 125, right? Let me put here 5 and check. Five times 25. Okay, 5 times 25. 5 times 5 25. Write 5, carry 2 to the next column. 5 times 2 10. 10 plus 2 12. 125. That is, if I placed here 5, then I will get 125 after multiplying that same digit. 5 times 25 125, which is equal. So our guessing digit 5 is correct. Subtract, you are getting 0. As you have placed here the digit 5 here, same digit will come under this divisor, and you can add 5 plus 5 10. Write 0, carry 1 to the next column. Look, the double of 15 is 30 without decimal, right? 30. This signals that our answer 1.5 is correct. You can write your answer like this: square root of 2.25 equal to 1.5.